Hey there, I am Jason Logston from Makin Bacon and Amazing Food Made Easy, and I can't wait to talk to you about self-publishing your own book. Self-publishing changed the course of my entire blogging strategy, and it helped propel my blog from a hobby to a business. So I can't wait to show you how to do it for yourself. Most people who approach self-publishing are overwhelmed with questions and confusion about what goes into it, how much it costs, how to print books, do you need to buy hundreds of copies up front, how do you price it, and a host of other questions. It can be really confusing for people. Well, I've got the answers, and in this course, I give them to you in a simple, straightforward way that will have you feeling confident and ready to move forward with that book of your dreams. But who am I to teach you about self-publishing? Well, I'm a best-selling author. I've published more than 15 books through both traditional publishing and self-publishing. Those books have sold more than 60,000 copies in both print and electronic formats, and one of my self-published books was a top 10 overall cookbook on Amazon. I've also spoken about self-publishing at Everything Food Conference, Eat Right Retreat, and the International Food Blogger Conference. I've been brought in as an expert for several mastermind groups, blogging communities, and podcasts, including Food Blogger Pro, Eat Blog Talk, and Jenny Melrose's Mastering Your Influence community. So I know publishing, especially self-publishing. I know how to explain it in a way that makes sense, and I've talked to hundreds of bloggers like you about how to make it happen for them. And what you need to realize is that anyone can publish a cookbook. This is so important. So let me say it one more time. Anyone can self-publish a cookbook. Right now, self-publishing is easy. You don't need a lot of money. You don't need a place to store thousands of books of inventory. You don't need to find a special printer, and you definitely don't need to get permission from an editor or a publisher or anyone else. You just need an idea for a book and the work ethic to actually write it. Now, like any large technological process these days, self-publishing looks very complicated and confusing. And I won't lie, it can be if you try to explore every single avenue of custom printing. There's a lot of different options you can go. Just like how setting up a blog can be really complex if you move away from WordPress and into a more custom setup or hire a programmer or work with some of the add-ons available. And in this course, I give you the mainstream WordPress version of self-publishing. It works for the majority of people that want to put out a cookbook and relies on using Amazon KDP to get a printed book up for sale on Amazon. I'll take you through the entire self-publishing process from the moment you have your big idea to when your book goes on sale as a printed book on Amazon, and how you can maximize your sales on Amazon and through wholesale deals. You'll also see that this is something that you can do, and you'll learn how it can fit into your blogging strategy. Adding book publishing to your blogging toolbox can help you bring in money directly from book sales, as well as indirectly by helping you market your blog, grow your network, increase your authority, and expand your brand. But to do this right, to limit your stress, and to not waste money, most people need a guide. And I would love to be that guide for you. So if you're serious about wanting to publish a book, then pick one of the packages below that fits your needs best, and let's get started, because I can't wait to see what we will accomplish together.